I'm adding 2 cups of water. Just plain old filtered water from the refrigerator. And then I'm going to add just a very pinch of sea salt. A pinch of sea salt. Add just a drop of this avocado oil. I'm going to bring it to a boil, and then after it boils, I'm going to stir it, put the top on, and then put it on low for 20 minutes. This is some of my ingredients for making my okra. I just got this at the store. Texas okras. They're actually pretty good. Not perfect, but good enough to eat, as they say. I bought them yesterday. But you have to cook fresh stuff right away, because I don't know how long it takes for them to get from the farm to here. My garlic, purple onion. The purple onion I cut earlier. This is my basil and oregano that I'm going to add in it lastly. And this is some of the okra that I harvested from my garden. And it's pretty good looking still. And some basil in there too, and oregano. I'm going to cut up all of my ingredients so they'll be in small pieces. And I'll add the tomatoes as one of the last ingredients, as well as the oregano and basil. I add the onion and garlic to my okra after I cooked up the okra and cook it and get the, get the slime out. And I forgot to mention, guys, I am going to wash my okra and tomatoes before I get started. Just wash them with some fresh water from the sink. My ingredients before I get started, guys. Looking pretty good. And ready to go to the sink to wash them. The rice is boiling, y'all. I stirred it. Now I'm just getting ready to put the top on and put the on low for 20 minutes. Set my timer for 20 minutes. This is the okra, y'all. Cut up nice and small so it'll be easier to, let's just say, stir fry in a black skillet with hot oil. I'm going to use vegetable oil today because I have no olive oil, and the other oil I have is limited. I might just put a little touch of the other oil. But anyway, that's how the okra looks, y'all, before I start cooking it. I decided to use avocado oil because I have it, you know. It's in my black skillet, y'all. I gotta get it hot. Then I put the okra in. This is my onion and garlic that's I cut up. Just very fine. And I'll add that to my okra after I get the slime out of it. By frying it, by stir frying it on the stove with hot avocado oil. But you can use any oil. You can use coconut oil. You can use vegetable oil, olive oil, or whatever oil of your choice. Just get it hot first, and just use a little. To be. Yeah, looking good, y'all. Okra, the slime is out. You got the purple onion, garlic, and good old black skillet. I'll be adding the tomato sauce very soon. You see, that's how you want it to look. Okra, no slime, and your vegetables mixed in there, well mixed. Adding the tomato sauce. This is 1 can, but you can adjust it like you want. Now guys, I'm adding a little water that I added to the can just to get the rest of the sauce out. And then it's just a matter of just stirring it around just to mix it up. And like I said, it's up to you on how you want it after that, because it can be as thick or as thin as you want it. Only you know how much tomato or flavor you want in your food. But me, I like it to be real tomatoey, so I mix it up real well, and I might even use more tomato sauce, but not today. Today it looks like 1 can is the perfect mix, and that was just 1 small can of tomato sauce. Looking good, huh? This is only almost all of it, but I'm just showing you step by step as you requested. See? I'm adding 1 container of grape tomatoes, but you can use any kind of tomatoes that you want to use. I use it for color, and I use it for the way it makes it look pretty. And when you bite into a cherry tomato, it like bursts in your mouth, so the texture also is different, and that's why I like to use it. One of those things that Dr. Seeley was using the cherry tomatoes too, so that's how I started using cherry tomatoes to cook. But you actually can use any kind of tomatoes you want. You're gonna make it your recipe. Okay guys, your recipe. And that's all that is. It's cherry tomatoes. And I just stir it into my okra. Now I'm gonna add me some fish in a minute because I don't eat meat. So I cooked some fish yesterday. I ate half of it. And now today I'm gonna use the other half inside of the okra for flavor. And for my protein. But looking good, huh? Wow. The fish is broken up. I used a fork and just stirred it into the mix. And it's looking just well. I added a little sea salt, a little red pepper, and a little powdered turmeric. Well, I've added my basil and my fresh picked oregano and fresh picked guys, just a little peek at the rice. You see, it was parboiled rice, and it pretty much comes. I don't give a shit about what you wear. I just checked on my phone. All right, guys, come and get it. It's looking good. Enjoy it, guys. Enjoy. I wish you were here. I'd fix you a plate. And I'm getting ready to eat it.
If I work what I've been working at the finals, then yeah, that won't be until like mid-August. And she's fine.